Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today, I want to talk about Chainlink. We know for the past few days, Chainlink has in fact been pumping. Yesterday, we saw Chainlink pumping, and even today, Chainlink is in fact continuing to pump up to the upside. Now, if you guys have in fact been watching my videos, then you guys would know I'm a huge fan of Chainlink, right? Have made plenty of videos talking about Chainlink, why I am so bullish for Chainlink, where Chainlink is heading in the future, right? So today's video, okay, I really want to talk about, Chainlink, give you guys a little update on what is actually happening with Chainlink, because Chainlink is pumping, right? So that means, okay, there could be something special happening for Chainlink and why Chainlink is pumping. And of course, guys, right, Chainlink is now at $10. Most important, right? This is what I really wanted to talk about. Chainlink is now at $10. Okay, we haven't seen Chainlink at $10 for a very, very long time. Okay, so I really want to talk about it. So yeah, I'm really bullish with Chainlink. I have made a bunch of videos talking about Chainlink, and I've been investing into Chainlink. I do in fact have a bag of Chainlink, and I haven't sold any Chainlink. Okay, ever since I started buying it. For almost 2 years now, right? So I'm still, continuing to accumulate into Chainlink, right? And I'm just glad that right now there is a fact, we are in fact finally, I should say, seeing some momentum happening for Chainlink, right? Chainlink is pumping. Like I said, yesterday we saw Chainlink pumping. Even today, Chainlink is in fact continuing to pump up to the upside. You guys can just clearly see that. So yes, Chainlink right now, as I'm from this video, is currently holding at $10.75. And you guys can see, right, Chainlink, ever since 21st of October, has been steadily pumping up to the upside, right? So we saw it pump up to $8 and then $9, and now it's holding at $10, almost coming up to $11. Okay, and I will not be surprised if we actually see Chainlink continuing to pump up to the upside. So to see it surpass $11 and continuing from there on, it's very, very possible. Now, I just want to show you guys real quick. If we go to the weekly time frame, like I said, okay, like I mentioned, we haven't actually seen Chainlink, touch $10 for the longest time, for over a year. Literally, it's been that long, over a year. So, pretty much, guys, in May of 2022. Right, we saw Chainlink absolutely dropping, and this was when Terra Luna occurred, right? Who remembers, right? When Terra Luna was collapsing, and then pretty much that caused the crypto market to collapse as well, right? So at that very time, May of 2022, that's when we saw Chainlink. Last time we actually saw Chainlink at pretty much $10, and ever since then, you guys clearly see Chainlink has been consolidating at this level, right? So we saw Chainlink a very, very strong, support level and a resistance line. You guys clearly see that. So, Chainlink, every now and then we'll see it touch around $9, okay? And then it'll just drop back down to like $7 and even $6 at some points, right? So you guys clearly see, yes, we saw a very, very strong consolidation move right here for Chainlink, a very strong pattern here. Okay, and it was clearly a resistance line, okay, and a support level. But back in June, early of June, we actually saw Chainlink for the first time in a while, ever since it was a fact, having this consolidation move. We actually saw Chainlink for the first time in a while drop below this support level. So we actually saw Chainlink go to around $5. Okay, and when I saw this, I actually took that as an opportunity to buy more Chainlink, and that's exactly what I did, and I'm glad I did. Right, and when I saw Chainlink consolidating at this level of $9 to like $8 to $7 to even $6 to $5, I was continuing to consolidate. This time period right here, guys, would have been, of course, the perfect time to DCA into Chainlink. Right, this would have been the perfect time to do all that, and I'm glad a lot of you guys did do that, right? Because in my videos, right, when I talked about Chainlink, you guys were in fact talking about you actually did DCA into Chainlink, and I'm glad you guys did, because that would have been a great opportunity right there. So right now, you guys clearly see Chainlink is in fact having a breakout, okay, from this resistance line of pretty much $9. So it's way, way, way surpassed $9 right now, coming up to $11 for Chainlink. So clearly, it's a clear breakout for Chainlink from this resistance line. So that's very, very bullish news, right? So that means we will potentially see Chainlink continuing to pump up to the upside. Okay, and the thing I like about Chainlink, guys, is because, I feel like Chainlink is always evolving, right? They're always stepping it up, right? What they're doing, okay, with Chainlink for its future and whatnot, with, the Oracle networks, I feel like they're always, creating new things, right? And they're just, doing new things, right, for Chainlink and for its future. And that's what I really like about Chainlink. That's why I'm really, really bullish. But yeah, Chainlink right now is holding at number 12. Out of the entire crypto market, right, it's sitting at number 12 right now. I remember back in, a couple months ago, July, June, May, Chainlink was sitting at like 22. I remember it was sitting at literally around here, okay, at like around 22, 21. And now Chainlink is now at number 12. So it seems like Chainlink is really moving, and it really is, right? You guys can see right now for the past 24 hours, it's up 18.9%, pretty much 19% for the past week. For the past 7 days, it's up 44%. And for the past month, for the past 30 days, Chainlink is up over 50%, a whopping 50%, 53% pretty much. So clearly, Chainlink is moving. In fact, I really do believe Chainlink is actually moving the market. Right, like we have seen other altcoins moving, like for example Solana. Okay, we know Solana has in fact been moving as well for the past few days. For the past few days it's up 35%. For the past month, 30 days, it's up 54%, similar to Chainlink, right? But I feel like Chainlink is really, moving the market. I feel like, you know what I mean? But even though yes, Chainlink is in fact doing its own thing, I still think, it has to do something with, the entire crypto market moving, because today it's up 1%, right? Past few days we saw, the crypto market moving like 2%, even 3% overall, and Chainlink was pumping, right? So yeah, Chainlink is sitting at number 12, which is amazing to see. I really do think Chainlink is going to be in the top 10 one day, and I'm pretty sure we can all agree on that one. So it's looking pretty good for Chainlink, pumping 19% today. And everyone's talking about this, right? I want you guys to understand. Everyone's tweeting about Chainlink, right? And it's actually trending. You guys can see that right there. Okay, Link is trending. So everyone's talking about it, right? Everyone's talking about, Chainlink finally hit $10. Because like I said, it's been, we haven't seen Chainlink hit $10 since the collapse of, Terra. Like I said, that's what it says right here, right? Terra in May of 2022. So this is history right here. It seems like Chainlink is gaining momentum. Okay, it's gaining back up to the upside of $10, and soon enough, yeah, it's gonna go way, way higher than that. So yeah, you guys clearly see, just like what I showed you guys, Chainlink was consolidating, and now it's clearly breaking up to the upside, breaking that resistance line of $9, and now it's at $10. So that's always great to see for Chainlink. Okay, and here's another chart, pretty much showing the exact same thing. And yes, since Chainlink did in fact break this resistance line of pretty much at $9, and it's continuing up to the upside to $10, upcoming to $11 soon, right? I wouldn't be surprised if we actually see, Chainlink reach at least $11 by tonight, or even tomorrow. Who knows? Okay, time will tell, but soon I do think that's going to happen for Chainlink. But in the next price targets, where we see Chainlink, $12, $15, $18. Yes, very, very possible for Chainlink. Okay, for these upcoming price targets, since Chainlink did in fact break this, resistance line, it's all up from here for Chainlink. Okay, and I'm just glad I bought a whole bunch of Chainlink. Okay, when it was below $9. Okay, so I was buying a whole bunch of Chainlink when Chainlink was at like $8, $7, $6, even at $5. When I saw Chainlink reach that bottom and it broke that support level, I just took that as an opportunity to buy more, right? So always, guys, always when you see a opportunity, always invest and take that as an opportunity to buy. But yeah, these next few price targets, I think it's going to be possible for Chainlink. And Chainlink recently tweeted this out, right? It's history. Well, not its history, but society in general. Before it was on clay, it was on paper, online. Okay, and soon enough it's going to be on chain. And I told you guys, the blockchain is the future. Crypto overall is the future. Bitcoin is the future, right? But crypto overall is the future. Okay, we're seeing what's happening with NFTs, maybe like the metaverse, AI, right? All that is going to be the future, right? It's going to take over, guys. Okay, so be ready, because I'm telling you guys right now, this is the future overall crypto, right? And that's why I'm really, really bullish with crypto overall, you know, especially with, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and like other altcoins and whatnot, of course, you know, altcoins that are obviously invested in, like Chainlink, right? You guys know I'm a huge fan of Chainlink, so it's the future. Okay, it's gonna be the future. Okay, it really, really is. So yeah, I'm really bullish with Chainlink, guys. Okay, I feel like I said at the beginning of this video, they are always evolving. Okay, always, you know, creating new things, right? For Chainlink, for example, I remember a couple of months ago they bring out CCIP, right? And that's a move data and value between existing systems and any public-private blockchain. So that's new, right? And that obviously happened a few months ago. Okay, and I already covered that. We all know that. So I feel like they're always bringing new data right into Link, right? So I'm always bullish with Chainlink, right? With this new cross chain and whatnot, it's amazing. Okay, I like it a lot. And overall, I'm just really bullish with Chainlink, right? Like Chainlink is the biggest Oracle network out there in the crypto space, right? It's the biggest decentralized Oracle network. So pretty much, you know, a lot of different DeFi projects and different chains utilize Chainlink to fetch data. Like, how can you not be bullish with that? You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm really bullish with Chainlink. You know, Chainlink is not going to go anywhere. Okay, it's here to stay forever, guys. And like I said, I feel like Chainlink is just always, you know, evolving. You know what I mean? So that's that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I just really wanted to, you know, give you guys a little update what's happening with Chainlink today. It's pumping, okay, and I still remain bullish with Chainlink, right? This is obviously a very bullish sign for Chainlink since it's breaking up from this resistance line, and I really do believe Chainlink's gonna, you know, it's gonna continue to pump up to the upside. So we will see, but so far Chainlink is holding pretty strong, $10 and almost 80 cents. So that's that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you guys bullish with Chainlink? Have you guys been investing into Chainlink or accumulating or DCAing? Let me know. I'd love to know. And on that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.